Welcome. I am Dr.Reham Elbadrawy, a PhD holder in therapeutic nutrition and copper hearing. Today we will talk about the intense advertising for Himalayan salt and what is the truth about Himalayan salt, and does it deserve all this attention? Of course, Himalayan salt comes from the Himalayas and is located at a distance. It is sold in Pakistan and the Himalayas, and they say it is at a distance from Pakistan and that it doesn't contain, or the factory doesn't have, the amount of salts and beneficial things that justify this extensive advertising. And of course, Himalayan salt is just salt. It is sodium chloride salt, which humans don't really need except as a basic necessity. Meat contains sodium. Milk has a percentage of sodium. Vegetables and fruits contain a high percentage of sodium, such that the World Health Organization hasn't set a specific amount of salt, or sodium salt in particular, for daily life. They have set a certain amount that is sufficiently present in vegetables and fruits, and that's why we shouldn't eat this. Of course, by nature, human taste buds don't need us to add salt. That's why a child eats food without salt. Of course, some doctors are coming out to say, and of course those with commercial interests are coming out to say that humans don't have taste markers without salt. So we add salt, but we add it so they can taste it. Or in other words, they say strange things that contradict all scientific knowledge just to market this product. Of course, anyone knows that salt is a burden on the kidneys and that it causes kidney problems, significant issues, and puts a strain on the kidneys. That's why we say anyone should think very carefully, aside from the fact that Germany, and of course Germany brings the European science, which is genuine science, not based on marketing or commerce. Yes, of course, Germany has warned against those who sell these things because regular salt is quite normal in quantity. But there are other salts that have no value and don't require the intense focus they are putting on this salt. Please, let's think. It's well known that salts cause major problems. They raise blood pressure, strain the kidneys, and are problematic for liver patients and most diseases. Please, let's be cautious and not chase after every new thing. And also, those who are obsessed with these things. He says that these experiments haven't even completed